welcome. It's Megan here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my healthy-ish snack box ideas. I'm making 9 different snack boxes and I'm just going to show you guys how I make them. I was inspired to do this because I really like having like hearty snacks that are like really easy and something that I can take like on the go, super easy, healthy, stuff like that. And also I've seen a lot of like little snack things like at Aldi, which are pretty affordable at Aldi, but I wanted to see how inexpensive it is if I make it myself. Also, the little boxes that you see at like Starbucks, those are like $5 and $6, and those are like a little more expensive. So I just wanted to see how much it would be if I made them myself. So that's what we're going to be doing in this video. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, so first we're doing the Sargento inspired snack box. So first you start with your meal prep container. I got mine from Amazon, and then you get some almonds. I'm going to be using a serving of almonds, which is about 1/4 of a cup. And then I will be using some dried mixed berries, and a serving of those is also about 1/4 of a cup. And I got most of my groceries from Aldi this past time. Now I'm just going to use a cheddar cheese stick and put that in this container, and then I'm going to be using a pepper jack cheese stick as the other cheese, just because I really love the taste of pepper jack cheese. And now we're done, and that is the entire box. Super simple, super easy, and awesome for a snack on the go. It's actually pretty filling, and it's only $1.52 for all of this. And you can make it cheaper if you were to do less of the cheese or less of whatever you want to do. Now, we're doing the charcuterie snack box, which was one of my favorites. So first we're going to start with the cube cheese, and this is the Colby Jack one, and I used about a serving, which I think was about 9 pieces. Then I got this deli selection of meats from Aldi, and it just has some cool meats. And also I got this turkey sausage. They're kind of like Slim Jims, and I used just one of those. And then I got these blue cheese stuffed olives, and I just put 2 of those, which is a serving. And then I used some pickled green beans. Of course, you can use any pickled thing that you would like to do if you don't like olives and green beans. Sometimes I'll do pickled okra pickles. And finally, I just used these crackers, which are from Aldi as well. And I just got 1 of each cracker because that seemed to fit perfectly with the box. And that was the entire box. Now we're done. It looks really good. And so total, this box is the most expensive, and it's $2.74, which I feel like is a really good price because it has quite a bit of stuff, and it's a little more filling than some of the other ones. This could be like a small lunch. Now we're doing the tzatziki dip snack box. This one's super simple. You basically just use some tortilla chips. Also, you get the tzatziki dip. You can get any kind. This is a spinach parmesan that I got from Aldi. It's actually really good. Sometimes I get the spinach dip from Trader Joe's. And I just did a serving of that, and that's pretty much it. This box was super simple. It's super cheap. It's 46 cents, and it's actually really delicious. And I love how, since the box is already made, I don't get like more of something, so it's portion controlling me. Now we're doing the chips and salsa snack box, which is really similar to the box before this, but you basically just use the same tortilla chips, and I'm doing a serving of chips. That's why you see me like counting them. I think it's about 9 chips. And then I'm using this Pace Picante salsa because that's what we use. And I use about a serving, which I think was about 2 tablespoons. And you can use more than that or less, and you can also decide where you want to put it in your box, but I just want to fill these up for the purposes of the video. So yeah, in total, this was only 28 cents, which I think is awesome, super affordable. It's a really delicious snack. You can add other things to it, like if you want cheese and extra stuff. It's awesome. Next is the fruit snack box, and basically this is just some of my favorite fruits put in here. So I got some pineapple chunks, and these are in 100% juice, and I just did a few of those. It's actually less than a serving. Then I got some fresh strawberries, and I did about 4 of those. And Then I got a Granny Smith apple, which are my favorite apples, and I just cut it, and I used an apple cutter. Do you guys have one of these? It's super awesome. And to make sure my apples don't turn brown, I put them in a Ziploc bag and I add some lemon juice to it, and that just helps it to not turn brown. If you have another way to do this, let me know, but I actually like the kind of tartness with the lemon juice. And this was 88 cents, which I think is an awesome price. And this is just, I just feel like these are really cute in the little box. And it's a really good snack, and it's super affordable and easy. Next, we're doing the trail mix snack box, and we start with pretzels in the trail mix snack box, and I counted out the pretzels based off of the serving size on the back. I did this to help me with pricing, and I also did it to portion control myself. I'm using those same mixed berries from earlier, and I also like that you can mix and match some of these ingredients, so that's super awesome, but your snacks are still different. Then I will be using raw almonds, pecans, pistachios, and those were just a mixed nut I found from Aldi. And then I'm doing honey crunch and oats. I was gonna get granola, but I saw this and it's kind of like the honey bunches of oats cereal, which is really good. Also, these are chocolate chips that I put in there, but that cereal is really good and it was super cheap and it has granola in it, so I just decided to use that as my base. And so now we're done with the container. Super simple, super easy, and this was also really affordable. It's $1.59, and if you want it to be less of something, you could always mix and match that. It'll cost even less. So that's super awesome. And you can also put this in a Ziploc bag. Next is my favorite, which is the Starbucks inspired snack box. I'm just really excited about this one because it's super affordable. So I'm going to be using whole wheat bread, 100% whole wheat, which I got from Aldi. And then I'm going to be using the Jif Natural Creamy Peanut Butter. And I just spread that peanut butter on one piece of bread. And then I use some strawberry preserves because strawberry is my favorite jelly. And I just put that on one half of the sandwich. I slice them together and then smash them together and slice them. And I'm only going to be putting half of a sandwich in the box. Then I'm getting some apples with the lemon juice. And this is actually half an apple. I'm using some cube cheese from earlier, the Colby Jack one. And I'm only going to use like 4, so this is about half a serving. Then I use a few baby carrots, which are awesome. And again, you know, since this one has so many things, you just do smaller portions. Here I got some mini cucumbers from Aldi, so I just cut up one of those and stuck it right there. And then I use that same tzatziki spinach parmesan dip from earlier, which is also from Aldi. It's actually really good. And on the Starbucks one, it has a ranch dip, but I don't really like ranch, so that's why I use that one. And this is $1.20. The one at Starbucks is just like this, and it's like $5-6, guys. So if you can make your own, do that. Next is the veggie snack box. I absolutely love veggies. I'm excited about this one. So I'm going to be using mini peppers today. It's actually cheaper if you cut up the 3 tri-colored peppers instead of getting them already mini, but this was all I could find. And then those same baby carrots that I used earlier. And I was gonna like separate them out, and then I started to realize I wanted to do more carrots and more peppers, so I rearranged it. And this is hummus. I know it looks weird because I made my own hummus, and if you want to know more about that, I have it in a video, my What I Eat in a Day Vegetarian. So I just put hummus, and it's super awesome. It's only $1.38. It's actually cheaper because I made my own hummus, but of course, if you don't make your own hummus, it's still just as affordable, still delicious, and it's just really awesome. I think it's a great snack. Next is the Amaze Balls snack box, and this one you're going to be making the Amaze Balls. They are made out of old-fashioned oats, mixed berries, and chocolate chips. And of course you can use any ingredients that you want. You use the honey to help stick it together, and also any type of nut butter. I'm using almond butter in this one, but it actually was really hard, so I should have used peanut butter instead. But basically you just mix that around and then kind of mix it with your hands. Also, when you use your hands, it's better if you spray it with vegetable oil, and then you just form it into a little ball, and then you let these sit in the fridge for about 15 to 30 minutes. They're super good, they're super filling, so I highly recommend that you get them or make them if you'd like. And all of this total, I'm sorry I didn't make the box on camera with you guys. I cut up an orange and then I put 2 Amaze balls in this container. I thought that would be better because the Amaze balls are super filling and I really like them with like something sweet, so I just did a piece of fruit. This was super affordable, super delicious. So yeah, that was the last snack box. Okay, so that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which snack box was your favorite. Let me know like if you're gonna make a snack box. Also, do follow me on Instagram and you can tag me in your snack boxes on your story and stuff like that. I just think that that'll be super fun and cool. So yes, they're just really great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.